Teacher have a value,
Yes.
but if you put the student in the as the teacher, does it have a value or not?
Yes.
But if you put the student for the teacher, it will have small value, right? So what can we do? I will show you. We should always go behind the teacher, which will bring us a big value.